Hi everyone, welcome to this latest episode of the RiskWire Webcast. I'm Reena Agrawal, Research Economist at Veros Real Estate Solutions.
And I'm Eric Fox, Chief Economist at Veros.
So let's talk today about some of the current trends in the housing market. We're seeing that mortgage rate is still above the 7% mark, and we don't expect it to go much lower than that. What do you see in terms of the demand and supply in response to the high mortgage rates?
So I think what we're observing now, we're certainly seeing a little bit of softening overall nationwide, but we are not seeing dramatic softening as many have forecast. If we look at the month supply of number that we currently have nationwide, it's about 3.5 months supply of homes. So that's how long it would take at the current rate of sales to sell all of the properties currently listed on the market in the United States. And there's 1.2 million homes for sale, or a 3.5 month supply. If we look at a year ago, we were at about a 3 month supply and 1.03 million homes. So both of those metrics are up about 20% year over year. Is that a lot? It's a little bit. Is it dramatic? No. That's not going to be enough to dramatically change the current status of the market, but it's worth noting it's slowing down just a touch.
So, do you see any standout cases in terms of supply? Is it even throughout the nation, or do you see some places where supply is kind of going up much more or growing less?
Yeah, we certainly do. I think we certainly see some areas where supply is going up much more quickly than at that nationwide 20% rate year over year. And I think the notable example of that is the state of Florida. If we look at the state of Florida, the month supply there has gone from its current level of 4.0, it was only 2.9 months supply a year ago, which is up almost 40%. If we look at the amount of homes that are on the market in Florida today, that's 146,000. That's up from about 100,000 a year ago. So Florida is definitely an example of a market that is starting to feel the effects a little bit more aggressively of the increased supply. And Rena, that kind of leads me to a question for you. As the economist that's working on a lot of our forecast models in various metropolitan areas across the country, what types of things are you seeing the impact of supply on in terms of the forecasts for these markets in the next year?
So, there are a few metros we're seeing in Florida that are showing we are forecasting a depreciation in prices actually. We think prices will go down, for example, in the Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, in Crestview, Fort Walton area, in Panama City. And I guess there are a couple more. So where we are seeing price is going to decline. And in the other metros, we're seeing some price appreciation, but just a moderate appreciation, not what we saw during the pandemic years. So it'll be low single digits, I think. But we're still working our way through the forecast, so we don't know the exact numbers yet.
Okay, well, very interesting. Thank you for your insights. My name is Eric Fox.
And I'm Reena Agrawal. See you next time.